Let's start off with Snap, if you don't mind. Really a surprise here. Before this quarter, I think generally, and you tell me, there were some concerns about the digital ad business. Then Meta came out with a miss on digital ads.
Yeah, I think in the case of Snap, it's a relative minnow compared to Meta and Google when you look at the absolute revenue base. I mean, Snap is guiding to about 50 million higher than consensus was for second quarter. Put that in for a $1.2 billion business, put that in context of Google's results, which just had a $7 billion incremental addition to its ads business in the quarter. So it's really kind of a rounding error. It's brought forward by the same trends that you see at Google and Meta.
All right, so it's a minnow. You're saying it's a rounding error, but is it encouraging when you look at the overall picture? Because I do want to get to those Google digital ad numbers. 2% higher than the estimate at just over $66 billion.
Yeah.
12% higher year over year. So you're saying this report from Google is more reflective of the global ad environment.
Absolutely. I mean, Google and Meta together have well over half of the global digital ad market. Both of them added $6 and $7 billion respectively in terms of additional ad spend year on year. And when you add that with Microsoft, you're looking at about $25 billion of incremental revenue that these three big tech companies pulled in year on year, which is just unprecedented. We've never seen that kind of economic concentration, and they're backing it up with massive investment. So Google is on a $50 billion CapEx run rate, Meta's $40 billion, and Microsoft $60 billion. They are plowing money into this AI arms race like never before.
Yeah, Alphabet CapEx up 91% year over year, so that's a big commitment. Most of that spending is expected to be spent on artificial intelligence. So we just heard Snap saying that they're using AI to boost their ad business. We heard Mark Zuckerberg says he's investing in AI to boost the ad business, but didn't have a clear path forward. So kind of straighten this out, Richard.
Right.
Does it really matter when it comes to the ad space? I don't think we've quite seen the impact of it when it comes to these co-pilots and things. Like, we're still waiting to really see it.
Right.
But in the ad space, is there a definitive use case? Is there a clear path forward?
So the reality is AI has been driving the ads business for years already.
Really?
All of those Google search recommendations, the YouTube recommendations, the ad placements on Meta, they are all driven by machine learning or AI technology already. That's already embedded in the business. What Zuckerberg is rightly pointing out is going to take more time is to develop the new products, the assistants, the things that consumers have to get comfortable using. But make no mistake, the entire programmatic digital ads business for Meta and Google runs on AI today.
Really? You know, I guess I never really thought about it before, but you're right. Like, if you are even just talking about something to your friend, all of a sudden it just pops up on your timeline as an advertisement. So I suppose that is an AI function. We do have some other players coming up. One of them is Amazon with a big growing digital ad business. Is the Google report a read on what we're going to see from Amazon, or is the Meta report a read from what we're going to see from Amazon?
So actually neither. And while Amazon has a digital DSP, demand-side platform business that's growing very quickly, the majority of their ads business is sponsored products listings on Amazon itself. And there, if you want to sell on Amazon, the largest e-commerce platform in the US and most of the Western world, you have to sponsor your products with advertising. So that's the core of their ad offering. But it does show, especially with Google calling out strength in their retail business, that pay-to-play sort of ad placement for retailers and for product producers is essential.
Does that mean that Amazon's going to benefit from using AI in its ad business as well, or?
Absolutely. All of these companies, there's no way they could place the scale of 60 billion or 35 billion of digital ads in a given quarter without automating that business.